Good morning, guys. It's February 8th, 2020. It's Saturday. There's no work today. There's nothing going on here at work. I've got a lot of shit to do on the cars. So I think today we're gonna tear apart the Jetta. I've got to swap a new rear axle beam because a previous owner decided to slide this car into a curb or some bullshit and smoke that fucking wheel. So now the back wheel's like, it's all fucking tweet. So it's kind of hard to keep that car in a straight line when you drive it. My goal for that piece of shit today is just to kind of get the axle swapped over. It's gonna be a great freaking day, and it's pretty freaking cold. So, and we'll take the Jetta for a little drive. You guys can come with. The exhaust is fucking loud, but it sounds pretty good. Give me a drink. Okay, we're back. We're gonna fire up the engine. Oh no, my phone's dying. But look, we can plug it into this here motherfucking doubled in $60 radio. Yeet, yeet. I did it. Let's go down. Bad boy with my loud motor. Oh God, Kurt. All right, guys, we're back at camp, so we can go. So I can get a matching orange bulb. Oh, this one's burnt the fuck out anyways. All right, guys, let me show you the new toys. That's my project for this year. That's gonna be such a riot. So realistically, I'm just shooting for like 375 horse to the wheels. I just want to hang with them fucking coyotes, the Mustang 5.0s. Those things rip. So went to the storage unit last night, to get the bike, just to see if it would fit on here. And so far, it actually does fit. Oh, I was definitely spinning it back and forth. Bro, this thing fucking works. All you just lock this bitch then. Dude, you could have been driving all day with the fucking bike on top. All right, we're gonna get this axle swap done. Try to have a fucking awesome day. Hopefully, let's just pray that fucking everything goes good, because I don't want to deal with no headaches. I just hope those wheel bearings are good, and I hope that the brakes bleed out fine. Serious now. Filthy hair. I've been working hard and not bathing all week. It's alright though, just because I knew this was gonna happen. I might actually put the rear adjusters back in just to get me up just a little higher in the back, because pretty harsh. Alright, so we just gotta unhook shit and here we go. Alright guys, here's what we got. ABS is disconnected, brake is disconnected, the lines are disconnected from the beam. I cut the little housing that holds the brake line clip and all that bullshit I just cut that so I don't have to disconnect the brakes from the chassis. I'm gonna drop it from these 2 bolts through the mount and just hope that works. If not, I'll make the modifications to make it work, but whew, it's getting sketchy now. Let's get this bolt out. Pretty much ready to fall out. Eventually the springs will fall out. Guess we gotta do some sketchy work. I kind of miss doing stuff like this. It's been a long time since I've had a whole day to just relax and take it slow. Feels good in the van with the fan blowing out. I'm so stoked about this. It's going so well. My main concern was these bearings were going to be seized up, but they're not. So we're just going to slap this fucker in. Right, out with the old, in with the new. Ugh. I got the beam done, the axle installed, and oh my god, it drives so much better. It looks so much better. I'm freaking exhausted. That beam wore me out. There's so much work getting the car up, and getting on jack stands, getting the old beam out, getting the new beam in. I still gotta go clean shit up, and it's supposed to rain tonight. So I'm gonna go finish cleaning up, and then we'll see how I'm feeling. I'm getting cold, to tell you the truth, so I'm gonna get warmed up a little bit, and then